2013, 2010, 12, doesn't really matter. 1.4 Chevy Cruze. This one happens to be a turbo, but most of the time, like the non-turbo engines have this hose set up on this side, and we're addressing a lean condition. I believe it's a P0171. Customer states lights on. Doesn't run like it should. So anyways, on the new design, or the non-turbo design, the air ducts on this side and the ribs crack, allowing a lot of air to be enter the what's it called, the combustion chamber after the mass airflow sensor. But on this one, since it's a turbo, that design does not affect it. And there's a little rubber diaphragm that sits in here, and these suckers pull air from here. So if you pull your coil pack, which is this one, it's just like a T15, I think, Torx T15, and it goes in there. Just unscrew those and pull this up. Obviously unplug it. Here's a plug. But anyway, so you pull this cover off, like the main cover, engine's running, and listen for a hissing here, from hissing noise coming from this little hole. And if you can put your finger and like make the noise go away, it's definitely pulling air in, creating a 171 lean condition, allowing too much air to enter the system. And now basically how you replace it, just pull the coil, you pull all these little Torx. I use an 8mm. It's the same thing. So you just kind of pull the dipstick, pull all these little screws. There's these little tabs here, and if you can't get these out, there's a little locking pad or tab. Push it out that way and pull it up. And here's kind of the same thing. And then you just get it out, replace it. And here's my new one. This is what it looks. So this one's not, the diaphragm's not broken, so it won't allow any lean codes to come on or any unmetered air to enter the system. Also, another note, some of the Chevy Cruzes have coolant leaks, and they come a lot from these little hose here. I don't know if you can see it right now. It's leaking coolant like crazy. Sometimes these break and they just leak coolant. That's very, very common on these cars. But again, there's just a quick video on a 171 what it could be. You can also have a purge valve that's sticking open. There's just a few things. But yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think.